Hello once again and welcome back to Zurfadik. My name is Mustafa. As you know, what's happening right now with human labor is replaced with machine. And according to Future of Jobs Survey 2020, 85 million jobs will be displaced because of the shift from human labor to machine. But in the same time, 97 million jobs will be emerged. So, if you are in that point of life and you are desperate to make a change, and you are thinking of what should I study, or maybe you are thinking of shifting careers, this video is super important for you because if you watch it until the end, you will understand the market trends. And the things that I will mention are predicted to be in a very high demand. So if you are interested, please continue listening carefully. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button to not miss my next video. So let's start with investing. What does investing mean? It means that you are putting your money, time, energy, or effort somewhere, and the end goal of that investment could be either passive income or active income. For many, the concept of passive income is a mystery. For others, it's just a way of life. But having a source of passive income can turn things around for you. In simple words, passive income is the money earned on an investment or work completed in the past that requires little work or no active involvement to generate ongoing revenue. Active income, on the other hand, is the hard-earned money that one earns in exchange for performing a service. This includes wages, tips, salary, commission, or income from freelance projects. Let's take some examples based on this. The following jobs are predicted to be in a very high demand according to Future Jobs Survey 2020. Profession number 1, data analyst and data scientist. What does a data analyst do? Well, it's about gathering data internally or externally about a specific product or subject. The types of data they gather, for example, what happened, why did something happen, what is likely to happen, or what action should be taken. Once you have the data, you have to build an understandable report, explaining all the information that you have gathered and present it to the right people. Some of the skills that you need to become an analyst are strong analytics, business intelligence, problem solving, and to be good with math. Average salary is about £39,000. You need a degree with data science or e-science with mathematics to qualify. AI and machine learning specialist. AI is everywhere these days. The posts that you see on social media are offered to you by AI. Because AI analyzes where your attention is. What are the things that you like or dislike? And what are the things that you are interested in? Average AI specialist salary is about £72,000. You need a master's degree in computer science and mathematics to qualify. Digital marketing specialists are people who work with companies' marketing, but not only with creatives or different social media channels. They also analyze data. So for example, a company sends an email to a customer. They track every movement that customer is going to do with that email. When he opens the email, did he just open the email and read it? Or did he click on any of the links in that email? How many steps did it take him to make that purchase? So a good marketing specialist will not just create campaigns for the company, but he or she will analyze the process of the campaign, strong points and weak points. The average salary is about £54,000. A bachelor's degree in marketing is required to qualify. Cybersecurity specialist. Cybersecurity specialist plays a key role in securing information systems by monitoring, detecting, investigating, analyzing, or responding to security events. Cybersecurity specialist protects systems from cyber risks, threats, and vulnerabilities. Average salary is about £76,000. You need to be certified with SANS, ISC2, EC Council, or OSCP to qualify. YouTube is the #1 video platform and #2 search engine in the world. YouTube allows you to duplicate yourself as many times as you want. By duplicating, I mean you could do one video talking about something specific. That video could be viewed by a ton of people. While people are watching your content, you could be cooking, eating, gaming, driving, or working on something else. On YouTube, you could answer common questions. You could review products. You could share your personal thoughts, or you could start a blog. So YouTube, as an example, is a mix of active and passive income. You need to spend time and efforts making the video, money to buy the setup and editing software. That means you are being active. After a while, your activity will transform to generate a passive income, whereby you don't have to invest any time, energy, or money into it. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency is a very trending subject in 2021. For example, let's say you have $10,000 in your bank account. If you keep them in the bank account, the 10K will not grow by its own. But on the other hand, if you invest the 10K in stocks or cryptocurrency, the money you have will reflect based on the market changes. I'm not saying it's 100% profit. I'm just saying it's one way of investing that you should consider. So now, what are some stocks or cryptocurrencies that you should consider? Let's name some industries that on average are doing above good. We have technology, energy, finance, communication, hospitality, industrial, and healthcare. Wait, just a sec. The information provided in this section is based on my personal knowledge and the experts that I follow. I'm not a professional trader. Now, let's go back to the video. I will list a bunch of companies that I'm very positive you have heard of. Companies such as Airbnb, Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, FedEx, or GoPro. These companies are very known for most people, and I believe that they will continue growing in the coming future, based on their reputation and footprint in the market. The services and technology they are providing make them the leaders in their niche. So, investing in a leading company, even if the profit margins are small, I name it as pure profit. How to invest? Well, there are a bunch of apps that could be used to invest in stock and cryptocurrency. I personally use an app called Revolut. It's a very user-friendly, whereby you could use it to deposit, get saving account, send money instantly, and invest in stock market and crypto. You could get Revolut from the App Store or Google Play by using the link in my description. Thank you guys very much for watching this video up to the end. All the links that I have used in this video are linked below in the description. Feel free to check them. I really hope that this video was useful. Please share it with friends, family who are uncertain about their career path. If you are not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.